Hey guys, welcome to a new video on my channel Exploring the World. You own the Insta360 One X camera and would like to know how to create an amazing hyperlapse? Then this video is exactly what you were looking for. All you need to do is create some amazing footage with your Insta360 camera, and after this I will show you how to create the hyperlapse with only your smartphone and the Insta360 app. Before we get into details, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss any of the upcoming videos. And now let's start with opening the Insta360 app on your smartphone. After opening the Insta360 app, you will first have to navigate to the folder where all your footage is stored. Then you will choose that video that you are going to edit, and after opening that video, the first thing we would like to do is to find the correct in point. So we need to trim our video to this in point and also the same for an out point. And after this we can start to create some pivot points. Pivot points will give the direction of the footage so that your time-lapse will look very smooth and very good. After setting all the pivot points, we will add some speed to our video. What works best is setting the speed up to 16 times so that the hyperlapse will look really smooth. And please don't forget to check this little box for the motion blur. After we have done this, we can add some music to our video. Insta360 app provides a bunch of songs, and then it's only adding some more color corrections, some effects to the video, and we are good to export the final file.